Your colon plays a vital role in your overall health. But how do you know if it's working properly? Are there warning signs you shouldn't ignore? From bloating and irregularity to more serious symptoms, your body might be sending you signals. But don't worry, there are simple ways to check and improve your colon health. In this video, we'll break down the signs of a healthy colon, how to spot potential issues, and what you can do to keep it functioning at its best. How a colon and blood cleanse can save your life. There is a lot of controversy and debate about whether you need to do a colon cleansing. Some say it is necessary, and others say it's a waste of money and can do your body harm. You can imagine who it says it harms. Doctors say it's a waste of time, and practitioners that offer a colon cleansing service say it is not. So, who will you believe? If you read many books written by famous nutritionists and educated naturalists, you find that they recommend dealing with your colon before you start any health improvement program. Yet, doctors will not even inquire if you have normal bowel movements to see if maybe you have a toxic body, which may be causing disease. Naturalists and nutritionists say disease begins in the colon. Surely, there is a reason why so many of them have come to the same conclusion. Despite that, it goes against many present-day doctors. Can colon health historical information be so wrong? Studies and research show toxic matter and undigested food build up along your colon walls, which prevents the colon from doing its job. The colon is designed to remove waste from your body on time, around 24 hours. If you have a bout with constipation, digested waste slows down in the colon, allowing this toxic waste to irritate and contaminate your colon walls. Just as, when you experience irritation in your throat, eyes, or bronchioles, you develop mucus, you also produce mucus in the colon, which protects you against the harshness of toxic matter. The colon normally has a health film of mucus along your colon wall, protecting you from toxic matter found in the fecal matter. When you develop an excess of mucus along your colon walls, created by having toxic waste matter, then, this is a good time for a colon cleansing. If the excess mucus is not removed with a colon cleanse, this mucus will prevent the colon from reabsorbing many of the nutrients that it is responsible for absorbing. Toxins and bacteria will form in the excess mucus, causing you inflammation and disease. Colon cleansing with certain cleansers has become a necessary process once or twice a year. Eating the right kinds of foods helps you to keep your colon clean and free from excess mucus for a long period. The colon is built to process a certain amount of food based on your body size and type. When you eat an excess of protein, processed foods, and dairy products, you stress your colon and cause it to become toxic. So, if you think colon cleansing is overrated, then just tell that to the many people who die, or who are dying from colon cancer, or those other deadly colon diseases. Cleansing the colon does not have to be difficult. Gentle and effective fruit and vegetable colon cleansing techniques can do an excellent job. You just need to find the right colon cleansing process, as outlined by a natural nutritionist, if your colon is working right. Many doctors and others in the health field may tell you that it is okay not to have a bowel movement every day. This goes against common sense. If you eat every day, you should have a bowel movement every day, or 18 to 25 hours after you eat. Your colon transient time is the time it takes the food you eat to travel from your mouth through your rectum. A healthy time is 18 to 25 hours. This time relates to how long the food you eat stays in your intestinal tract and colon. Food, fecal matter, or chyme in your colon should not stay longer than 12 hours, otherwise you have constipation. The other 12 hours, your food is in your stomach and small intestine. Long-term constipation is responsible for the start of practically all body illnesses and diseases. For this reason, keeping regular is critical for your health. Constipation leads to autotoxicity or self-poisoning of your body. When toxins move into your bloodstream instead of out of your body, with the fecal matter, the liver, and other body organs become overwhelmed and become sluggish. With a toxic colon, you will have a hard time keeping free of disease, and you will find it very difficult to lose weight. Slow-moving fecal matter in the colon causes reabsorption of fats and cholesterol back into your bloodstream and liver instead of out of the body. This can lead to a fatty liver, which cannot digest fats properly, and has to store them in its cells, other organs, and body cells as pure fat. Determining your transient time. Here's how to determine your transient time. First thing in the morning, drink one of the following drinks. 1 ounce of liquid chlorophyll, the juice of 1 lemon, and 8 ounces of distilled water. Or if you like beet juice, use 6 to 8 ounces of beet juice. You can buy juice, or make your own if you have it. You can eat anything that has a lot of different colors, and when you see it coloring your stools, this will be your transient time. Check to see how long it takes to see green or red in your stools. This is your transient time. The average transient time is around 18 to 21 hours. If your transient time exceeds 26 to 30 hours, then you have a mild case of constipation. If your transient time 31 to 36 hours, you are constipated. If your transient time is 37 to 48 hours, you have chronic constipation. Check your transient time now. Taking care of your colon is a key step toward better overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights to keep you feeling your best. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and see you in the next.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.